In this video, I will show how to separate text into multiple columns in Microsoft Excel. So we have this text and we will separate in multiple columns. So firstly select it, click on this data and here click on text column. Then select delimited, then next. Select space, then next. Now click here and select columns where you want to separate. So in my case, I want to separate this one column text into three columns. So that's the reason I selected ABC three column. Now just click on finish. So this is the setting and method you can separate your text. Thanks for watching.